Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to turn on comments on TikTok. So if you also want to turn on comments on TikTok, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open your TikTok application and go to your profile. For that, you'll have to simply tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner. You can see over here, I'm already on my profile. Now over here, you'll be able to see all the posts that you've posted in TikTok. Simply tap on the post. You'll be able to see the post over here. The comments are disabled. In order to turn it on, what you have to do is tap on these three dots that you can see right over here. Now these kind of options will appear. Now at bottom, scroll left and here you can see option for privacy. All you have to do is tap on it. Now privacy settings will be opened. You can see several options over here. You can see option for allow comments. You can see over here this is not on. Toggle this button right next to allow comments. Now comments will be turned on. So that is how you turn on comments on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.